Hey everybody, welcome back to the Caliber8 Tools and DIY channel. You ever heard of the term jack of all trades? Well, I got a tool here that's like a jack of all tools. Stick around, we'll take a look at it. See you right after this. Okay guys, one of the best things you can have on your person is a multi-tool, okay? And a multi-tool, of course, is just a tool that has a variety of different functions on it that allow you to achieve many things all packed into one tool. Now this particular multi-tool here is called a wrench type multi-tool, and believe you me, this thing is robust, sturdy, and you can feel the weight of this thing in your hands. If this thing falls out of your pocket, you'll probably hear it a mile away when it hits the ground, okay? That's how sturdy it is. So just for comparison's sake, let's break out the scale here. Okay? Make sure that it's set on pounds and ounces, not grams. Okay, it's set. All right. Let's go ahead and compare another multi-tool that I had laying around. Let's see what that says. Okay, that's about 6 5/8 ounces. Compare that to this one. This one clocks in at 10 ounces. So you see there's a significant difference between this multi-tool in terms of weight and sturdiness versus the other multi-tool that I just put on there. Now the tool itself is about 6 inches long, so that's pretty compact and comfortable to put in your pocket, of course. But it does come with a handy carrying case that you can slip it into. And you can clip it to your belt or slide it into your belt so you won't have to carry it in your pocket. So that's pretty convenient. And one of the most prominent features is pretty obvious, is the wrench. You don't see wrench multi-tools often. And this one is pretty sturdy. It's about a 1/2 inch thick here, and the mouth opens to about 3/4 of an inch. And that can allow it to accommodate most nuts or bolts that you have out there. And it's stainless, so it won't rust on you. So the head of that bolt was about 3/4 of an inch. Same with the nut, 3/4 of an inch, and it handled it perfectly. Another great thing about this multi-tool is that it doubles as a screwdriver. Now that's not that different from other multi-tools that have screwdrivers in them as well. But this multi-tool has 3 different screwdriver bit heads, okay, to accommodate the different types of screwdrivers. We have a flathead, we have a Phillips, and we have an even smaller Phillips. Now that smaller Phillips comes in very handy if you're trying to fix your glasses or something like that, where the screws are very, very tiny. And to take them out of their holding seats, you just push it out the back, like that. Take it out here. Where do you put them? Well, if you look at the front of your crescent wrench head here, you see this 6-sided hole here, this hexagonal hole, okay? And you just take your hexagonal bit and you stick it in there, and it holds magnetically, and you have yourself a screwdriver. Now for the screws with the single slot on the head, that's for the flathead screwdrivers, right? What if we want to use a larger, more sturdier flathead screwdriver for that? Well, we can pull this out, and it has a flathead tip right there. Want to get a cap off a bottle? Well, it has a bottle opener. Hungry? Well, it has a can opener too. It's right here. If you look closely, this edge is pretty sharp, okay? It's beveled in on both sides versus that side. And that makes it easy for this to cut into the can. So you take this portion and you place it under the lip of the can, and you have the sharp beveled edge on the top surface of the can, and you just press down. You just take it all the way around. The highlight of this multi-tool, I think, is this. The LED light, the flashlight. There's no other multi-tool that has this, as far as I could see. Oh, and let's not forget the razor sharp knife it has. And the serrated edge too, the saw blade. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this multi-tool, you can find it at Caliber8.com, links in the description, along with some other great products. You could even find it below the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to share it. Guys, I appreciate you coming by, and I'll see you next time.